Today we got a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is When the Woman Making Six Figures Turns Out to Be a Serial Shoplifter. Let's get into it.
On February 6, 2024, officers responded to Target after an employee had stopped a suspected shoplifter.
For the comforter and the
Lego sets. Is that the first time you've ever stole?
Yes.
Ever?
Did I? Yes,
Okay.
Intentionally, yes.
Well, okay. So, this is about your 9th time. I got from Tallahassee, you were just there a couple days ago, to all the way to Ocala when you asked multiple different things from Legos to beddings, all kinds of stuff.
Okay.
So I've got about, how many instances do you think I have on?
I'm not sure.
Okay. It's well over $1,300 in the course of a month.
Okay.
So we're adding this up right now.
Can I pay that?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Nope.
I'll pass that.
Yeah.
It's funny how people think that's an option. If you have the money to pay for it, then why don't you just pay for it?
And this is the current one. Available. This is when she took this time.
No, guess what? Add that to the tally. So if you got the money to pay for this, why are you doing this?
I honestly, I didn't do it on purpose. Like, I thought, when you saw me do the scanner, but I scanned it.
You see the scammers right there? If you click on one of those little 12 screens, then
Okay.
it blows up the whole screen. And, so yeah, it showed you up there about 5 minutes ago, sitting here doing this whole looking around thing and then scanning one thing. And we watched the whole thing. Okay, these cameras here are really good. And also, 9 different times in all these different cities. If you got the money to pay for it, why don't you pay for it?
I don't have an answer. Like, that is acceptable.
Appreciate your honesty.
I mean, I can sit here and lie out here and so.
Appreciate that.
Is somebody else out in the vehicle?
Yeah. Have you got somebody else, this hubby out there waiting on you?
Yeah.
Which vehicle is yours?
The BMW out there.
What color?
The X5 Pro.
If you walk out the front door, where's your car from here?
It is on the right side.
Would the one, if you mind checking, and maybe he's in there, maybe he's not.
It's not.
Oh.
It's just me. It's an X5. Has a sticker on the back that says not a soccer mom.
Not a soccer mom until I go out to the.
Thank goodness.
So, you got to go to jail today. Whether your car stays here or gets towed or whatever, it's going to be totally up to these guys. But they got too many charges on it. Can't just give a court date and a hall pass on this one. I'm sorry. No, not sorry. 9 times. It's kind of about time. But
Can I just ask one question? You can answer me or not. We know how these things work, and we can tell when people are not being honest with us.
Yes, ma'am.
Normally, when people are doing this, there's either somebody behind it having you do it, or you're working in conjunction with somebody. It's very rarely ever just the one lady who goes in looking like your normal soccer mom
Yes, ma'am.
and stealing all this stuff up and down the interstate.
yeah, you're dang. Drive a Beamer, dress nice, nice jewelry, expensive phone, Apple Watch, and about $166. I mean, it's not that making any sense. Like what she was saying, there's usually a reason for it. There's one.
No, sir. I never get in trouble in my life except just when you take it.
So why are you in Gainesville today?
I had to work.
What do you do?
I'm a district manager for a bank.
Jesus Christ.
All right. Well, I'm afraid to ask which bank.
Wells Fargo.
So do you, and I'm not saying this to be smart, but do you feel like you're a kleptomaniac?
I mean, we get it all the time. It's a common thing. We're not judging everything.
But do you buy your clothes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you know how to buy what
Yes,
you
ma'am.
need, right? I
Purchase
mean, it's not.
groceries, but I pay my car payment.
Hmm.
I pay my mortgage. I have
Francis, I'm sorry. How late are you on today? I'll be all right.
Well, while he's over there playing Lost and Found games, okay, playing hide and go seek with the vehicle. A district manager for Wells Fargo, that's easily six figures. That's definitely a 100 and up. Let me see. Let's Google real quick, cause I'm curious. Let's see. Google district manager Wells Fargo. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. The average salary for a district manager at Wells Fargo is approximately 109. We'll just say 109 to 122,000 per year. Like what? Between bonuses and compensation, whatever, it's 135 to 217. And you're over here stealing what? Some bed sheets? Does that even make sense? That don't even make no sense. So I understand why the cops would ask, is there somebody that's forcing you, that's putting you up to this? BMW, life good. Life is great. Unbelievable.
How many Gainesville cases do you have on her?
Just Gainesville, we have 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Four. This is gonna be the fifth. So 4 and 5 coming today.
Okay.
Just in Gainesville?
I'll be able to tell myself I'm judge.
No, you're going to be there overnight,
Yeah, so
at least.
this is felony charge, so it's gonna be an overnight stay. But in the morning you won't.
I have a child at home.
You'll get to make phone calls. Nobody. So.
How old is your child?
17.
Huh? Nobody.
So they can take care of themselves.
Yeah.
The car's there.
The car there.
Again, that's something
Nice
you
car.
probably should think about before you're doing your one woman
Yeah, thinking
feeding
about
spree.
If you don't mind, let's go ahead and take her out. I'll do that. It's a good idea. Just on the computer.
Search.
Okay. Do you have anything in your purse or on you that's illegal? Any drugs, or if you got medication you prescribed, then that's fine.
So what I'm going to recommend is that you take off all your jewelry because they're not going to let you take it in the jail. I mean, it'll go in, but you're going to have to take it off when you get there anyways. I would put it all like in your purse, but do you want me to search her purse real quick?
Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah, I'll throw that together and put it on the flash drive.
Okay, that sounds good. Actually, I'll search your purse if you want to do her. Listen.
Just set your jewelry right here for now, and then after he searches it, well, you can put it in there.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you married right now?
Yes, ma'am. That's another person who's going to be freaking out with me.
I bet.
Which pocket is your driver's license in? Oh, actually, never mind.
Yeah. And I have the old Alabama one that has a hole in it.
I'll say, yeah, got it 15.
Alright, so hit the edit.
Should I just like print that one off then? Yeah. Yeah.
Radio battery charged all weekend. And it's chirping after 8 hours. I just turned another one after having a dead cell in it. Got a new one.
All charges would be dropped after she takes treatment. Wow. Listen, I told you she making good money. She got herself a great lawyer. All charges will be dropped. Okay? And she could go back to her job. See, this is what I mean. It's just a big waste of time. You're stealing from, and this is why people do it. Target is typically pretty on point. Like, Target is really camered up, and they got one of the best, like, security systems besides, like, Best Buy and stuff like that. But Target is really on point. But look, they got them in multiple stores, got her in multiple stores doing this, what, 9 times or something like that? And all charges will be dropped. Okay? Money can get you out of any jam. I'm telling you, boy. If them funds is right, you can get out of anything. That's it. But as far as the officers, they did pretty well. You know, pretty basic or whatever. 3 out of 5. You know, nothing too crazy. And that was it, man. So let me know how well you think the officers did in the comment section below, and about all charges being dropped. Let me know what you think about that. So yeah, I'll catch you in the next video.